Happy day, children. Welcome to the next session of Grade 6 Science, Chapter 5, Separation of Substances. Some of the common methods of separation of a solid from another solid are handpicking, sieving, threshing, and winnowing. Let's discuss about each one of them in detail. Handpicking. Handpicking is the method of separating an unwanted solid impurity from a useful solid by hand. It is commonly used at home to remove small pieces of stone from wheat, pulses, and rice before cooking. This method can be used only when the quantity of the mixture is small or the quantity of undesirable components in the mixture is small, and if there is a visible difference between the components of the mixture. Sieving. Sieving is a method of separating components of different sizes in a mixture using a sieve. A sieve is a mesh fixed tightly in a frame. Sieves are commonly used in kitchen to separate unwanted impurities from wheat flour. A huge sieve is used in construction sites to separate sand and gravel. Now, let's see how sieving happens at home. Consider this mixture of flour, mustard, and chickpeas. When this mixture is allowed to pass through a sieve, the fine flour particles will pass down through the mesh in the sieve, while the bigger components of the mixture are retained back in the sieve, which can then be separated by hand picking. Threshing. Threshing is a method of separating the grain from the stalk using violent movement. Have you seen wheat or rice crop bundled after harvesting? The grains will be attached to the stalk. The bundles will be left in open sun to dry, and then the stalks are beaten Threshing can also be done with the help of a machine called thresher. Winnowing. Winnowing is a method of separating light particles such as husk from heavier particles such as rice or wheat grains with the help of wind. The mixture of grain and chaff obtained after threshing is rubbed slowly from a pipe using condition. The heavy grains fall almost vertically down, while the unwanted lighter chaff carries some distance by the beat. Thus, two different kinds of chaff and the grain materials are formed. This is called winnowing. Magnetic separation. Magnetic separation is a method of separating magnetic particles such as iron from non-magnetic particles such as sand with the help of a magnet. Rag pickers use this technique to pick up iron pieces from the garbage with the help of a magnet attached to a rod. So these are the different methods used to separate a mixture in which both the components are solids. Thank you.